I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith with Coastal Business Supplies. We are going to show you our neoprene hand sanitizer bottle holder.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with our hand sanitizer bottle holder. So let's get started.
Okay, we did our design in Photoshop and we used the F570 to print it off. However, this would be easy to print off of a Sawgrass or small format printer as well. I'm going to go ahead and trim off the excess paper. And to make our press easier, we did go ahead and remove the ring.
Yes, normally it does come with the ring on it as well, but it's just a simple adjustment and it'll come off.
Okay, and you can do one of two ways here. You can cut this and press it and then press the second side as well, or you can try the press and flip. So what we're going to do here is there is a seam here. Make sure that your tape is up under that seam to hold it into place. And then I'm also going to use the hole for the ring holder to tape it as well. And then we're gonna fold it over and I'm gonna let Jamie do the honors here.
Okay, so here we go. We are going to be using our Hotronix Fusion today. I'm going to place a piece of silicone, or you can use a Teflon sheet on our bottom platen to protect it. We're going to place one side downward image, place our silicone on top, and today we are pressing at 385 degrees for 45 seconds at medium pressure. Okay, and so with the press and flip, what we are going to do is just hang out, take our silicone sheet up and just flip it. Okay, so once it's flipped, we're going to push our button back in and then press again for 385 degrees, 45 seconds. Okay, so we're gonna remove everything while it's hot. And you can use thermal gloves. Neoprene usually cools off pretty quickly. So there we go. And you have two sides. And we're gonna put our metal clasp on. And there's just a little hole for where it goes, and then you just kind of feed it on through.
Okay, there you go.
So now you have one personalized hand sanitizer holder. So thank you for watching our video tutorial. We have our product instructions and templates available online at coastalbusiness.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe.